The Poo Files.
Poo Files, open.
Dung beetles. They got their name from eating dung. They love dung so much, they roll it into balls over 1,000 times their own body weight. Don't try it at home.
Think or float.
Manatees. They drop the kids off at the pool like everyone else. But will their bum babies sink or float? Place your bets.
Poo Facts.
Flies. They poop 24/7. Literally. Food goes in and almost straight back out again. They're also in a nearly constant state of vomiting. Disgusting!
Fart facts.
Rhinos. Don't invite them for dinner. They let out long, loud farts while they're grazing. Farts that smell like rotten eggs. Show consideration to other diners.
Think or float.
Manatee manure. Will it sink or float? Both. It floats in salt water and sinks in fresh water. Trick question! Ha ha. Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files, close.